Alright, so this is a basic video preview of my lip sync control system. Um, the most basic version that just uses audio spectrum data um, in real time. I'm working on a phenome version, but it is worth noting that the phenome version will require you to have phenomes built into the blend shape of the model. So I have it currently set up with two rigs, a blend shape rig and a jaw rig. So we can go in to play mode and see what that actually looks like. Now this one right here, this is the blend shape rig, so we can just play a lip sync clip on it.
None will break through our ranks. Show them what we're made of, boys! Another victory for the king! Onward, men!
And that's just the default standard settings that I put in, so it's pretty decent
None
right
will
out the
break
gate.
through our ranks.
And then this is the jaw rig here.
Yes, ma'am, I will have another. Yes, sir, I will have another. Too easy.
Again, this is just the default settings, and you can adjust the settings over here, like the frequency and stuff like that. So that'll change how their mouth reacts to the audio. And if you have a higher pitched voice or something like that, you may need to actually adjust these settings. For the most part, this should work for most things though, where you can just easily set it up and start rolling with lip synced audio. Um, for now, I created a temporary script that allows me to put in different audio clips and then the lip sync controller, and it plays it through the lip sync controller. But the lip sync controller itself does have a function that plays audio through it. So you'll have to either code that into your script, or you can just use Unity events to drag and drop it in there. A great example would be, we can press plus here, and then we can drag and drop the lip sync controller in there, and then we get a lip sync controller, and it says play sound right there. And so if we use that, it'll actually play a sound directly through the lip sync controller, and it will be lip synced. So then it will also stop any current sounds. That way you're not getting kind of overlapping dialogue or anything like that. Now, I'll show you how to set the rigs up real quick, but something important to note: if it has a jaw rig, not a blend shape rig, the jaw has to be disabled in the animator. So to do that, we have to configure the avatar. So we go here, and then we click on head, and you see I've already removed the jaw, but you can basically click on the jaw, press delete, and that'll remove the jaw from it. And then you want to go down and click apply and done, and then that will release the jaw to our script. And then to set it up, we can just go ahead and remove the lip sync controller from him, and then we'll go to tools, lip sync system, creator, and then we'll drag and drop him in there. And now see, we're on the jaw setup, so we got to select his jawbone and then select the head transform. And we need the head transform because it's going to put an audio source on the head, which gives us the most realistic position of the source of audio. And then we have our own audio source that we can read from, because we don't want overlapping from footsteps and other things. So we can just click set up jaw rig, and he is set up. Now to quickly attach him back to my test script, because deleting it removed him from there. Alright, so now we'll also show you the version of blend shape. So we'll go ahead and remove the lip sync controller from this guy, and then go ahead and open up creator again, and then drag and drop him on here. Instead of jaw, we're going to choose blend shape, and then it actually selects the mesh. So there's only one mesh for this guy. So we click him, and then it selects the blend shapes, and now we choose which blend shape is for talking. Now mouth open is the one we'll use for this one, and then we still need his head transform because it's still going to put the audio source on there. So Brad's head right there, and then set up the blend shape rig. Now he's also set up. So note that we did just completely remove the lip sync rigs from both characters, and then we just used the system to instantly add them back with a couple of button clicks. So now I'll drag and drop him on here, and we'll go back into play mode, and it should work.
None will break through our ranks. Show them what we're made of, boys!
Yes, ma'am, I will have another. Yes, sir, I will have another.
Alright, and that is the basics of the lip sync system, and I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know.